Alright, this is my brother's cyst pimple on his arm. It's been growing for like 3 or 4 years. I don't think the biggest pimple in the world video is gonna have shit on this.
We gonna get it right now. And this is gonna help us. Well, it does help us, obviously you can tell because it's gone.
Where's the cup?
Cut to the white head, nigga. Just in the white head.
He has to.
Just in the white head, man. We should gotta cut it. Get it.
Oh God! Oh fuck, dude! Oh my God! Hold on, let me get this shit off my face, man. Quick! Oh God, it's all over the computer, man. Oh God! Oh my God! Hold on.
That shit would have
Oh my God! Oh shit!
That you're gonna clean.
Oh shit!
Oh my God!
Oh my God, dude, man, fuck! Oh shit, man, this shit exploded every fucking way.
It felt so good when you hit it, dog. Like it hadn't even done a cut. It's ready to go.
Oh, fuck, that hurts.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my God. Shit, that's just
man. Dude, you're gonna look weird without this motherfucker.
I know, right?
You know
what? It's a big fucking chunk. It won't come out.
Get it out. Pull it.
Oh
my God. Get it out. Get it out.
I'm trying, man.
Get it.
No, you're gonna pull out the skin.
Pull it, nigga. Pull it.
No, it ain't.
Get it out. Get it
You
out.
have to bandage it up, Keith, because it ain't.
No, you gotta get it out. Get it out.
I am. Hold on.
That's the stem of the motherfucker, man. It's a cyst.
Oh, God, it pulled out. Oh, God.
Get it all out, dog.
I don't think I'm a person today.
Oh, my God.
Hey. Is it bad to be? That was good?
No, it's just.
Get it, dog. Get it.
Cut it, Keith, cut it.
No, get it out. If it don't come out no more, cut it in. Ooh.
Alright. Dude, you got a fucking hole there now.
No, that's how it is. Squeeze it, man. Make sure it's all out.
Ah! Yeah, it's bleeding now.
Yeah, it's just bleeding.
That's the skin from the inside.
Alright, cut that.
Hold on.
Skin.
Oh, here.
Hold on.
Badass.
God, that was fucking nasty.
That was badass.
We're gonna, stop it so you're cleaning it.
Look at my shit.
We're gonna